How to remove the Citroen C4 Picasso front window regulator. Starting off with the trim where the door pull handle is, with a plastic tool, just remove the trim on top of the door pull handle. Be gentle as this trim is only held on by clips on the inside and it can break. And underneath there will be 2 Torx screws. Remove the 2 Torx screws. Next, right next to the door open handle, with a very thin tool, remove this cover, and underneath there will be a Torx screw that you'll need to remove. For the next part, you can use plastic tools to get in between the door panel and the door itself, and then open up enough space where your fingers can go into the bottom, and then you'll pull the bottom out first. As it's only held on by clips on the inside, otherwise you can use this clip remover tool, which makes things much easier. It's not really that expensive to buy. First, pull at the bottom, and then you'll need to slide it upwards to detach it from the window sill. And then same way you can put it back, sliding it down first and then pushing it on. One tip, make sure these clips, these white ones, are like this on the door panel, not on the door itself. So if there is any on the door, get them from the door and put them onto the door panel. You'll need to remove the soundproof cover. And then these are the bolts that hold the window regulator in place. But before we remove these, what we need to do is bring the window down to a position where we can remove the clips that hold the window regulator to the window. You can either do this by cutting the wire or manually bring it down. And these are the clips. When you bring it down, you pull or turn them up and then pull them out. The window regulator and the window isn't connected by bolts. It's connected by these 2 clips, as you can see. And then you'll need to do the same thing for the other clip. And then what you need to do is it slots into the window like that white piece. So you need to push the window or pull the window regulator rail and then detach them so you can move the window up. And then what you want to do is put in position in all the way up and then sticky tape it to the top while you refit the new window regulator. Just to show you, unplug. And now we can remove the 10mm nuts and bolts that hold the window regulator onto the door. But that plug was from another vehicle because I forgot to record removing this one, but it's the same idea. And then once these bolts are off, you can remove this one, put in a new window regulator, and then you slide down the window to the window regulator, put in position, reclip, replug, and then put your door panel back on. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.